In this video, I want to explain how to make a position versus time graph. The first thing that you'll need to do is make sure that you have your data in your spreadsheet. So in this first column, I have the time, and in the second column, I have the average position. Next, what you'll need to do is go into Insert, and you want to insert an XY scatter plot that does not have any lines. It should auto-select the data for you. If you don't like what you get, then you can right-click and click on Select Data. One thing that want to make sure is that our time is in the X values. And it's highlighted here, so I know that my time is in the X value. The position I want to be in the Y value. And I like that, so I'm going to hit OK. Next, I'm just clicking on these grid lines and hitting the delete button because it makes it easier to see what's going on. Now I'm going to change the chart title to position versus time. And I'm also going to include the lab name. I'll want to also have my axes titled. So I'm clicking on Add Chart Element and adding both axes. Again, I have time on my x-axis, and I'm also including my unit in these titles. The next thing that I want to do is change my axis where the major unit is 1. I'll change the minor unit to half. What that does for me is it identifies the value that I'm actually looking at in the graph. Now the next thing I want to do is add in my trend line. This looks linear, so I'm going to use a linear trend line. Once the trend line's on there, I'm going to want to format it. Now I want to make sure to be in this graphing option in formatting. I want to display the equation and display the R-squared value on my chart. Now this together with the trend line and with the equation and the R-squared value will give me everything that I need to perform any analysis on the position and time for the acceleration lab.